Okay.
Galing! You want more? Ay, trip. Give symbolize ever-flowing love, caring, and admiration. Vintage present is the coined name for this wish. It's taken from the party's theme for motive. Pero bago natin sila tawagin, gusto kong bigyang linaw na meron din po tayong ipapagawa at kailangan talaga nilang gawin para sa ikaliligaya ng lahat. Ito ay ang kumain. Muna sila ng pulburon.
Kumain mo ng pulburon?
May we call on Mr. Brian Maraglat to be the first to give the gift.
Guys, moments of silence po.
So, you have to give your message.